Another type of product you can sell on your EzyCourse platform is chats. And there's two types of chats. You'll find them under products and services. And there are group chats and private chats. Kind of does what it says on the tin, really. Private chats are where you can enable your students to be able to communicate with tutors. And group chats are where you can have a group chat with students and tutors in there that people can access and chat away. Let's have a look at how to create a group chat just so that you can see how easy it is. In order to do that, I'm going to go into the group chat section and I'm just going to edit one of the existing chat groups, but you can add a new group using this button up here. So if I go into edit this group here, you can see this is the same as adding a new group. It's a case of putting a name, a description, a group thumbnail, and you can choose who can access this group, whether it's available publicly or whether it's private, hidden and restricted, just like some of the other products. And you can allow group members to chat with each other privately if you want to. There's a little tick box at the bottom here. And then if I go backwards and back into the group chats section here is where I can set the pricing for that group chat. And you can see there's a couple of options. I can either sell this group chat for a one-time payment or as part of a subscription. Now you can bundle group chats up with other products using the membership feature of the EzyCourse platform. We'll look at that in other lessons, but hopefully that's enough for now for you to get started using group chats on your EzyCourse platform. Now let's have a look at what these look like from a user perspective. Here we are on our example EzyCourse site, and in the top right hand corner I'm logged in, so this messenger icon is available and you can see there's a choice of private and group chats here. I'm going to go to the full screen messenger so that you can see this, and first of all we're in the personal private chat here. Well, very simply I could add a tutor and choose a tutor, and that's it. I am able to send that tutor a message just like that. On the groups chat tab here, you can see that there's people chatting away and I can just join in with that discussion. So private chats, group chats, great tools to be able to include. You can have these standalone or part of other products as well. So maybe you've got a course and you can buy the standard version of that course, or you can buy a more premium version of that course that includes private chat with a tutor, and you can have group chats that are associated with other products as well. We go into more detail about this in other courses that are available, but for now hopefully that's enough to help you get started using chats on your EzyCourse site.